That black yo magic. That black yo magic. That black yo magic. Magic, magic. Black yo magic. That black yo magic.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Samaya and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I digital plan and a walkthrough of the digital planner that I have on my iPad. As you guys know, I decided to go paperless this year, so everything that I use for school, take notes, everything is currently on my iPad. And if you haven't seen the video I did on that already, be sure to go check that out right now. Before we get into this video, make sure you do those 4 important things. Make sure you like this video, hit the subscription button, the notification bar, and share this with somebody you think would enjoy this video. And if you're wondering why is she dressed like this, usually she looks so late and slay, even though my face is beat. I'm dressed up because I'm a business major and we have to dress up for Tuesdays and Wednesdays at my school. So yeah, so let's get straight into the video. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get started with my flip through of my digital planner. So to get started with this, I'm just going to take my Apple Pencil, the first generation. So let's go ahead and open her up. So let me just set this up real fast. So if you haven't seen it already, I'll include the iCard to what's in my backpack, as well as how I'm a paperless student, if you guys want to check that out. So let's go ahead and open up Notability, where I have my digital planner. So this is what I decided to do for the initial page, and of course I'm extra, and I just had to take some pictures of myself, which is like low-key conceited, but you know, oh well. But I just took some of these Instagram pictures and I created a PNG for them just to kind of make a nice cute little cover page. So in order to go through this, I'm just going to go ahead and take my first generation Apple Pencil, and this is what we're going to be using to write with my iPad. When I created this, I actually followed a tutorial from another YouTuber, so I'm gonna just have it in the corner below so you guys can see and go check out her channel. Okay, so the cool thing about this planner is it has interactive links, so you can click this and then it'll take you straight to the second page, or you can slide through and flip through it like you would with a regular paper planner. And so I really like that, you know, it functions and it creates the exact kind of experience of a regular planner. And so I just included a couple things that were just kind of personalized, so I just kind of created a cute little intro just so it looked a little more professional. And then I just have a quote that says, "Nothing feels better than doing what people say you cannot do," because, you know, as you know by my Instagram and stuff, I am very extra and I believe in manifestation and just the law of attraction, and I believe in just having like positive quotes all the time. So, you know, that's something that I wanted to incorporate in my planner. I just wanted to personalize it so I can be more successful for this like hot girl semester. Period. So I'm just going to flip through, and so this is the page that I have for my goals, and so I haven't filled this out at all just because I wanted to do this video. But this section, which I also have this in the tabs as well, but it has my goals, so I have like a quote section and just different spaces for mental, physical, spiritual, and academic goals that I have. So here I would just write all the goals that I have for the year or the semester. I haven't decided how often I'm going to change these out. And then in this next page, this I'm going to keep a little private because I think it's important that when you do things like a vision board, and if you don't know what this is, a vision board is basically where you put all of your thoughts together and you incorporate just different collages and stuff for goals that you want to manifest into your life. And so that is something that I will be doing later, but I don't want to share that just so I can actually, you know, receive my goals and I don't have the negativity of other people, so that, you know, I can actually accomplish them and they can come into my life. That, and y'all don't need to know what moves I'm making, period. So now we just have the trackers, which later when we get into more of these, you'll notice that some of the stuff is a little bit filled out. but these are the trackers just so I know like important test dates and stuff, and this is an important student feature so that, you know, you write out all the different assignments for big exams like final exams. These are things that you would want to put in to the tracker so you just know about important dates and you can always come and reference that. So I have one for the fall and the spring, so we're just gonna skip through that. And then this is my fall semester schedule. And basically I put a lot of the stuff I have for my schedule in just so I know how my day functions, and then you can visually see it and you know exactly where you're supposed to be when, and stuff can get added or taken away as necessary. And so this is the first one for the fall semester, and everything's color coded so you can see it visually. And so here's my just actual class schedule. Then this section just has a list of other things that kind of go into my schedule, which I also spaced out times for doing YouTube stuff as well. So, you know, those are things that if you want to do this, that you should think about incorporating. Okay, and so here's another one. This is supposed to be for the spring semester, but you know, I kind of messed up on that. So it's just gonna stay there until I make a new planner. So this section I made to personalize my planner, so I have just to be more successful for YouTube. So basically what my plan is with this is that I have the things that I want to accomplish with YouTube specifically, because this is something that I want to grow with and do better with, and just to create better content for you guys and just kind of empower people, and yeah, well, just to empower and inspire other Black women and women of color. So here's where I will include a lot of my goals, and then here in this section here I have like 2 of the big goals I have, which this is just going to be my subscribers and my watch time. And so what I'll do is, as I get closer to the goals I have for that, so I'm trying to reach monetization, so I need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And so if you are a fellow YouTuber, then you know that there's an app called YouTube Tracker, and then it shows the amount of subscribers and the amount of watch time that you have already. And so essentially that's what I'm putting into my digital planner, just so I can keep track of that, my growth, and just the different things that I want to work on personally with my channel and growing my channel. Okay, so now we get into the monthly calendar, and the thing that I did is I didn't write out the dates because I wanted to make sure that, you know, if I wanted to reuse this for the next year, instead of having to completely start from scratch, then I could still reuse it. So then I can just write in the numbers myself here, and you can see that, but I just kind of sketched that out. So then you move on, and then the next week, then I have this section with the clickable tabs, and then I can go directly into the weekly spread where I can write in all the days of the week. So let's go ahead and go into August, which is the month that I kind of already started filling out. So as you can see here, this was like the first day of school. And so I wrote this in with like cute colors, and you know, there's a lot of features with Notability itself. And so then you skip into the days where I started having assignments, and so this is what it would look like as the semester starts going and you start actually filling out. So let's move on into September. As you can see, of course, my birthday is this month, and that's like low-key an ugly heart, but you know, I tried. Oh well. Anyways, so my birthday is the 22nd, so I'm super excited for that. Hopefully I will have a vlog coming for you guys soon as well. So here I just kind of started filling out a couple of things. My dad's birthday just recently passed on the 7th as well, and so those are some things I try to incorporate. Okay guys, so we've made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already, be sure to do those 4 important things. Make sure you like this video, hit the subscription button, the notification bar, and share this with somebody you think would enjoy this video. And my channel has been growing super fast in the last couple weeks, or really just the last month or so, and I just really appreciate you guys and all your support. So just thank you guys so much, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Oh, trying to grab a bit. That black yo magic. That black yo magic. That black yo magic. That black yo magic.